Yeah, so the high quality productive force thematic that we're seeing from China we're very encouraged by this, because we believe the new quality manufacturing processes that will enable the world to help its clean energy transformation through the delivery of solar panels and wind turbines and all the equipment that is required to help industries like ours at Fortescue decarbonise our businesses. We have a very aggressive decarbonisation, clean energy transformation agenda, and we're looking to partner. In fact, we already have partnered with many Chinese companies in the supply of clean energy equipment to help companies like us transform. It was also very pleasing to hear not only the high quality manufacturing agenda, but the clean energy transformation agenda coming very strong from China. In our own business, we're using Chinese batteries. We're seeing BYD blade cell batteries, for instance, be one of the most preeminent sources now of battery materials. They perform exceptionally well in the environments that we have in the desert in Australia, for instance. Fortescue is very well positioned, so we have an aggressive decarbonisation agenda. We need to switch all of our fleet, nearly 800 pieces of heavy machinery, to green fuels. And our strategy is based on batteries, and we ourselves will be sourcing many of our batteries through Asia and specifically from China.